Whites need to learn their fucking lesson, man.
Hey y'all, what is up? It is me, Everything Track or Everything Media. Now check us out. This 2023, we have the brand new Polaroid. By brand new, I mean the Generation 2. This is the Polaroid Now Instant Camera Generation 2. And how is it in 2023? Well, today we're just gonna do an unboxing. So if you all don't know about the camera, the specs, here are the specs right here. Has autofocus, double exposure, accurate flash. The camera works with you can use I-type film and 600 film, and I gotta say at Best Buy, and it was on sale as well for $120, and that's why I got it. I got the color I-type film. It was $16.99. Original price is $20. This is, I believe, $150, but I got it for $120. So on the side it just says Polaroid Now Instant 2 camera. This is Generation 2 instant camera. So again, it's 2023. So how does it look like in 2023? Well, again, I'm just gonna do an unboxing. If you want me to do a review, let me know. I personally bought this camera just to put on my game shelf, but as we open the box right here, you get greeted with two black flaps with Polaroid on the left top side. So right when you open the box, oh, by the way, you're greeted with the famous Polaroid cameras on the top of the box as well, just to point that out. And here goes the camera right here. We're gonna go ahead and take this out. Okay, so in there we have some more stuff, but we're gonna put the camera to the side right here, and let's see what this is. It looks like it's gonna be your casual manual. If you never used the camera, I'm gonna show you all how to use it as well, because this is actually my first time, so I'm gonna show you all how to use and how to put film in. Again, you have the manual that says hello, the time is now. And right here just have the illustration of what each part of the camera is. And once you actually open the page, you get greeted with a blueprint of the camera along with what the letterings are for. So you have the shutter button, lens, flash, viewfinder, self timer, double exposure, film door button, which is F. So I'm actually have to use that as well. So that's the film door open button right there. Flash on and off button, which is H, and H is gonna be on the rear of the camera. As you can tell, it's gonna be right there. And I believe this does take USB Type C. We're gonna see though. Again, it also lets you know about the battery. There's a screen back here actually, I believe, that shows you about that. Neck strap, film counter LED, and let's put this to the side. You get the point. Let's put this to the side as well, and let's see what's actually in the box. What's in the box? So yes, this is USB Type C. So if you have USB Type C chargers, then any of them will work, but this is what we're looking at right now. All right, and we also have the neck holder, as they explained earlier in the manual. So we have a simple decent neck holder. It feels like it might not last that long. I'm sorry, not neck holder. I guess you can put it around your neck, but I don't know whose neck is gonna fit. Neck, arm, it's up to you. So we're gonna put this all back in the box. And again, this is just the unboxing. If you all want me to do a review, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll review it after a month of me using it. Again, I didn't actually plan on using this camera like that. I only bought this camera just to put on my game shelf. So yeah, I know, right? But anyways, let's go ahead and open this. It's funny because I thought they would have had like a little flap that you could open it from, but I guess you have to tear the whole paper apart. Well, that's okay, whatever. By the way, there are like 4 different types of. You have like the Polaroid Go, Polaroid Now. There's like Gen 1, Gen 2 of each of them. Okay, it actually kind of feels good. Okay, so right here we have the Polaroid. Nice little camera. We might have to charge it. There's the charging port right there. It's going to be on the right hand side. Might have to charge it. I don't know if it has any juice or not. Let's see. Let's see if it has any juice. Okay, it has a little bit. So it is yellow, which means if I believe when I looked at it, I believe it needs to be charged. As you can see, it has 0 right there. There's 0 pictures in it. So let's go ahead and open it. This is gonna be a first time for me. So if you all need to know how to open it as well, then we're gonna figure out. So this opens up right here. You're gonna put the film in right there. So let's go ahead and grab that. Again, this is the one I got, the color I-type. It is dual, so you can use the I-type or the, if I believe, I can't remember which one it was. Can't remember at the time which one it was, but I know for a fact if you go to Best Buy, there's 2 different types. Oh, 600, it's called the 600. So let's go ahead and open this. When you open it, you get greeted with this icon. It looks like a person holding coffee. Shoot, wait, appreciate. And on the top right side, it says insert film this side up. Do not remove this. Not sure what that says. It's kind of faded. I can't really read it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open it. Go slide it in right there, I believe. Put that in. All right, and it takes that off for you. Take it out. So I don't think you can. So if you want to take it out, that's how you take it out. You grab this paper right here. Again, it's the iconic Polaroid, and there you go. You see the 8 films right there. So again, put it in right here. Leave this be. Let this be. Push it in. Bam. All right, y'all, that's all I have for y'all for today. Again, you can't take pictures. I tried it. You have to wait until the camera's charged because you can't really tell, but the lens is not open. So I'm gonna fully charge it. But anyways, this is the Polaroid Now Instant Camera Generation 2. If you want to take those vintage looking photos, you can do that. They do have, I believe, they do have like color lenses that you can put on top of here. So you can do that as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and charge it. But anyways, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, and